birdie bird. You're so precious. Where's your ball? Look at your ball.
Hey there YouTube, it's your girl Kristen Marie. I'm a licensed esthetician, an educator, mentor, a YouTuber, and a mom. As you can see, my child is here in the background. We are in my brother's backyard in Missouri. We're here visiting, just having some quality family time. This is actually my first time coming back to Missouri in about 12 years since my brother and sister-in-law got married. They have 2 beautiful children and an adorable dog. And this backyard, you guys, I wish you guys can see it here in person. It's just breathtaking and just a good switch up from the noise of California and where I live. So I've been enjoying my time here with the family. Unfortunately, my sister-in-law's grandmother passed away, so we are going to be heading to a memorial service in a little bit here. But other than that, you know, we're just hanging out. We got to see some amazing hot air balloons yesterday, and we've just been enjoying our time together. And then actually from here, I'm going to be going to New York. Just FYI, next week I will not be posting a video. But I will be posting a video following that week. But be sure to also subscribe to my vlog channel where I'll be posting a vlog of the New York trip. So stay tuned for that. But I wanted to touch base with you guys real quick. I actually honestly didn't really expect this to be what I was going to talk about. But I just can't believe this happened. Just a few days ago, my Kristen Marie Co page on Instagram was permanently disabled. I actually was getting on the airplane to come out here, and I opened up my phone just to check my inbox and things like that, and it gave me a message that said that the page was being under review. And so I had to submit an appeal, which honestly it wasn't even really an appeal much. I just had to confirm my contact information. And oh my god, there's an ant crawling on my camera. Hold on. Ooh, disgusting. Anyways, there's a lot of bugs out here. But anyways, so I submitted an appeal. Hey. So as soon as I hit that appeal button and confirm my contact information, it basically a minute later emailed me saying that my page was permanently disabled. And so at this point it looks like the page never existed. So if you already follow me, you're gonna see like a gray icon, and Instagram user is the name now. So just know that I didn't block you. You know, that's what happened. So feel free to follow me on my other pages. I have my personal page and my client-based page, which is the Radiance by KM Co page. It's where I'll be continuing to keep in contact for now until basically I figure out what's going to happen with the other page. I do have some connections, people that reached out to me once I posted that happened, and they're actually working on helping me appeal the decision, which, you know, will be a process. And yeah, I was pretty frustrated by it at first, and you know, I do use that page a lot to attract business and to keep in touch with you guys, and you know, make fun reels and stuff. And I've just put a lot of heart and work into that page. I mean, I started it, you know, years ago when I started my makeup business, and so it was kind of in a way like a memory page for me, because I've come so far to get to this point. And so it was discouraging and disheartening to see that happen. But you know, from getting a lot of messages, people said that, you know, that the page can get recovered, hopefully. I did already make another page just in case that it cannot be recovered, so you know, I'll let you know what that page is if it comes to that point. But you know, just keep me in prayer, keep your fingers crossed for me that it can get reinstated. But you know, I'm actually not feeling too discouraged anymore. You know, these situations can happen, especially with social media and just in life in general. Like, you can get thrown curveballs, and I always said to myself, like, you should never rely completely on social media to keep your business going. And so this is just a perfect example of that, you know, you can't rely completely on an Instagram page or one page to run your business. And so I'm thankful that I have other backup pages, and telling myself if I did it once, I can do it again. Even though, you know, the page had been built up to about 45,000 followers. Hey, who's to say I can't do it again? And honestly, things like this just like put a fire under me to keep working hard, to stay positive, and you should never just rely on one thing to keep you smiling or keep your business going. So I'll keep you guys posted on what happens, and you know, if this means a new start, it means a new start. Thankful that I'm even able to continue to communicate with you here on YouTube, and you know, I'm still enjoying myself. I'm still in good spirits. So thank you guys so much for your love and your support in this scenario, and hopefully, yeah, we can all learn something from a scenario like this. Yeah, actually, when I had looked into like maybe why the page was taken down, it said that I had violated some community guidelines, which, as you guys know, if you followed me, I never posted anything inappropriate or copyright or anything like that. And then when I looked at kind of like the reason why, it said that Instagram doesn't support people trying to impersonate a celebrity or somebody, you know, in the public eye with this profile, and maybe this is just a ploy to get me to verify my page, because I actually hadn't signed up for that blue check just yet, because now they charge like $15 a month to verify your page on a monthly basis, but it's supposed to provide more support and protection for your page. So now I feel like once I get the page back, or if I make a new page, I'm gonna have to verify it. So if you are also somebody who has a large following, or is building a following, or has a page that you just wouldn't want to lose, maybe you should consider verifying your page. But I'm not sure, you know. I could go on about maybe the other reasons why I think it got flagged or whatever, but you know, if this is another curveball that I'm being thrown, I'm gonna catch it and throw it back even harder. So that's all I gotta say about that. It's all gonna be good. I'll keep you guys posted. Again, I will not be posting a video next week because I will be in New York, and hopefully too being able to experience a spa out there, and maybe I can share my experience with you at that practice. Or if you have any suggestions of places to visit, please comment below for me so I can check them out. And I'll see you guys back here, not next Monday, but the following Monday on my channel. And thank you so much for your love and your support, and I love you. Stay safe, and I'll see you then.